Your fingers move like magic every day, but the real secret nobody talks about this way. Every time you type or grip or pinch, you think your fingers are just moving, not an inch of thought required. It's simple, right? But deep inside your hand there's an engineering side. Tendons running from your forearm all the way down, held in place by tiny pulley bands, pound for pound. Without them your tendon would bow like a bowstring. Your grip would collapse, you couldn't do a single thing. But here's the secret your biology's been hiding. A fluid film so thin it's almost nothing, yet it's guiding every single movement, slicker than ice on ice. Coefficient of friction 0.3, that's the price of frictionless motion built inside your hand. Engineered better than any machine that humans planned. That fluid, it forms the instant that you squeeze, pressurized between the tendon walls, it never frees. Thousands of times a day your fingers flex and glide, and every single time that film rebuilds inside. It's not just lubrication, it delivers oxygen. It's the life support and motor oil again and again. When it breaks down, the tendon locks, trigger finger sets in. That tiny film is all that stands between you and the pain you're in. So thin it's measured in micrometers, smaller than a hair. Yet without it you couldn't hold a pen or climb a stair. Next time your fingers fly across the keys, remember you've got better bearings than machines. The slipperiest surface in the known world, it's in your hand now. You know the secret, and it's wilder than you planned. Send this to someone who takes their fingers for granted.